everyone, I'm Marcia Whitfield, Healthy Chef, and this is Everything Dash Diet, the holiday tutorial. So, what we're doing today is a no cooking, no chopping, meal prep tutorial survival guide for the holidays. And you can rearrange that statement any way you want. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna have 4 delicious meals that we didn't have to cook anything and we didn't have to chop anything if you do it just like I did it. So, the one thing that you do need to do is go to the grocery store, go figure. But what I did was I bought a head of lettuce. Now, I'm kind of obsessed right now with Boston Bib lettuce, so do what you want to do. You can get some bagged lettuce. You don't have to do what I'm doing. But I'm just gonna rip these up. I'm gonna toss it into my colander. I'm gonna rinse it really good, spin it a couple of times, and I'm gonna leave it just like that in my refrigerator. So it's ready to go for the week. Because during the holidays, things get a little hectic, and it's not even so much that we're trying to overeat, it's just that all the foods that are around us are really calorie dense as opposed to nutrient dense, so we tend to overeat just because of with what's available and we have limited time. Next, I stopped by the salad bar and I just got a couple of different items to enjoy. Now, here's the thing with the salad bar. You're charged by weight. So if there are things that you don't really need, or you could get a larger quantity and then just pop it open, like hello, the black olives, because these are gonna really come in handy throughout the holidays just to have them, because they're not gonna spoil. So I'm gonna just take out a couple of these, crack this open, take out a few, and use them in my salads that I'm gonna build. But then I also have some for if someone stops by, we can have a little snack and maybe a glass of wine and fill out some holiday cards, you know, just make it work. But these won't go to waste, so that's a good buy. Don't put that in your container for what you're getting charged for waste, or for weight. So I got a little bit of egg, I got some mushrooms, some beets, some corn, you know, the little red onion, just all the things that just take a little extra time to make. So this will just save you, because we're gonna get 3 salads out of this. Now, I also did get a rotisserie chicken, all right? And then we're gonna shred that up. And then finally, I bought I stopped by the hot bar and I got a few roasted potatoes and then some roasted vegetables. All right, so I'm gonna make 3 salads. One of them is gonna be vegetarian because I'm gonna use roasted potatoes in the salad. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you all of this so you get a visual, so it's really easy for you to follow and do at home. And then I'm gonna do 1 rotisserie chicken with those extra vegetables that I have, the hot vegetables on the side, and then I'll have 3 salads. I did get a couple of dressings. I got a honey mustard, and then I got a cilantro, and then one of my dressings I'll just do oil and vinegar because I have that at home, or you could do oil and lemon or just lemon, just, you know, whatever your personal preference is, or maybe you have some bottled dressings that you haven't used. So, and then again, I just have nuts on hand. I mean, every healthy household should have some loose nuts. Not the people, but the actual nuts. Those two. And then finally, for those of you that are more plant-based or who are really trying to stick to a plant-based diet, you could just get some garbanzo beans, you know, and again, because this is a weight thing, I would get the can and then drain it, and then you could dole it out to your couple of salads, all right? You could totally skip the chicken. You could do tofu, you know, so whatever it is that you like, kidney beans, whatever, you know, something that would be more plant-based instead of the rotisserie chicken. All right, and then that's it. So I'm gonna make 3 delicious salads. One of them is gonna be with all potato, plus some of my things that I got from the salad bar, some nuts. The other 2 will have the rotisserie chicken, and then finally I'm going to do the rotisserie chicken with just a little bit of the roasted vegetables. So that way I'm set up, and you know, honestly, this is great for a single household, a single person household, but it's great for a 2-person household, 4 people, you know, we're all eating at different times, everybody's coming and going, life's really busy, it's very hectic at this time of year, so you can make meal prepping work for you without even having to cook and spend a lot of time planning. And then, you know, ultimately helping yourself, so on January 3rd, you're not like, I knew it, I knew I was gonna, you know, put on too much extra because I wasn't taking the time to take care of myself, you know, to take care of ourselves. So this is one really simple way for you to do it. And by the way, this is always really great for those of you that have college-bound kids. I mean, this is something that they can do regularly throughout the year. So that's it. All right, you guys, so here is my finished product. I've got my 2 salads with chicken ready to go, delicious. You see I put my olives on there, and I've got some nuts on them. And then here's my plant-based dish that also still has a little bit of egg in it, but you know, generally use the roasted potato as more of the protein for this particular dish. So if you wanted to go vegan, you can. And then finally, I've got one dish that has just the roasted chicken and then the roasted vegetables and a little bit of roasted potato just to round out that dish and make it really savory. I was lucky enough that I had a little bit of chicken left over, so I just set that aside. I'm going to use it as a snack, or I may incorporate it into another dish. Who knows? I'll see as the week unfolds how that works out. And then finally, I just wanted to mention that I only spent $24 making all of these dishes. So at $6 a dish, really saving ourselves a lot of time, money, and calories. You can't go wrong. I'm Marcia Whitfield, Healthy Chef, and this is Everything Diet. Try it. Bye for now. And other than that, let me know if this works for you guys. I've got more of these, so I'll post more if I get a few comments about, yeah, this worked for you. This was a great idea.